Siren Hunting Part 2 is coming out in about 2 hours. Ow. Almost tripped. Ew. Okay, that's kind of a swear word on Roblox. But I can't do that. Down there, let's go. Oh, by the way. Wait, there's a sign over there. Let's read it. Danger. There's no alerts to the dam. This siren is hacked. You might not know that, but it's broken. It's not broken, it's hacked. They don't not know anything about tornado sirens. Just so you know, I really want to buy a tornado siren. I'm a big fan. Ooh, there's a lock. Never mind. We're at the highest part. Ooh, got my pretty, pretty. Wait, what does that say? I'm just using my face, cause I use my face. I can't do face reveal. Well, I could use my face, my fake voice, and I might speed it up.